When it comes to influencing consideration during a customer's decision-making process, choosing the right targeting option can make all the difference. With so many options available in digital advertising, it can be overwhelming to figure out which one will be the most effective. However, if your goal is to engage users who are already showing interest in products or services similar to yours, custom segment targeting is often the best choice. Custom segment targeting allows you to reach people who are actively searching for specific products or services. This option uses data from users' recent browsing activity, search behavior, and online interactions to target ads to individuals who are already considering a purchase in your category. For example, if you sell running shoes, custom segment will help you target people who have recently searched for running shoes, read reviews, or visited other sports apparel websites. These individuals are likely to be further along the buying process and are open to discovering new options. The reason custom segment is particularly effective for influencing consideration is because it focuses on intent-driven actions. People who fall into this category are already thinking about a specific product or service, and your ad can help them take the next step in their decision-making process. By using custom segment, you can target users who have demonstrated interest in products or services similar to yours, are actively searching for solutions that you provide, maybe comparing different brands or products, which allows you to present your offer. This type of targeting creates a more relevant and timely connection with potential customers, which is key when trying to move them from awareness to consideration. To make the most of custom segment targeting, you'll need to refine your audience based on specific keywords, topics, or URLs related to your product. Like Google Ads allow you to create custom audiences based on the browsing habits of your target audience. Here are some tips to get you started. Choose the right keywords. Select keywords that are closely tied to the product or service you're offering. These keywords should reflect what potential customers are searching for when they are ready to consider a purchase. Use insights to refine targeting. Use data and insights from your past campaigns to understand the behaviors and interests of users who are most likely to convert. This helps in fine-tuning your custom segment audiences. Monitor performance and adjust. Track how your ads perform with custom segment targeting and make adjustments as needed. If you see certain audiences are more likely to convert, consider focusing more resources on that segment. Custom segment targeting is one of the best options available for influencing consideration because it helps you engage with users who are already in a decision-making mindset. By targeting individuals based on the intent and recent online behavior, you can increase the relevance of your ads and build a stronger connection with potential customers. If you're looking to guide people from considering different options to choosing yours, custom intent is worth considering. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need help with your Google Ads, I invite you to take the 14-day free trial of my coaching program. Thank you and see you in the next one.